Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'm in the bathroom, may I ride too long minute this. May I ride and whistle. So it's morning time, I'm telling you. After 10, you know, time runs very fast. But Jason decides to go, here I'm gonna go eat lunch. Nothing too much. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna bring one with me. Because I've been non-vlog. And never leave my bathroom. Never. Guys, it's so good. I just feel like so every female must have one in a them bathroom. And you can use it with your favorite face soap. Right now, I use it with one turmeric soap. You just lather the soap and then you put the baking soda. You can use it how you want to use it, but this is how I use it for my face. And not every time I use soap on my face either. So some days I don't use any soap at all. I just rinse with the water and that's it. But like when I go out, I use soap. Okay, you know what, if it be oily and stuff like that. I used to use charcoal soap, but the person, trust me, I get the best charcoal soap from Jamaican Island Girl. The best charcoal soap I ever use. So you can go over there and place an order. The turmeric soap for me I use right now, it's not from her. I went to a store, what them call it? Them store there where them sell like natural stuff, and I saw it. I said, you know what, let me try it out. But back then, me used to get my stuff them from like Jamaican Island Girl. Been a while, me not get nothing from her. But you can check her out because her stuff, good. I just finished bed. Luckily, me did take out my clothes before me go bed because time kind of run. And really and truly, you know, lunchtime are normally 12. So we really want to eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Plus, Jason gonna have a busy day. So just want to get it out of the way and stuff like that. Plus we didn't eat any breakfast. Let me show you what we did take out. Alright, so I'm gonna wear this black jeans. I really love the material, really nice. I can't remember when I did buy this, but mega search for it while I edit, or before I start edit. Mega search for it so I can insert it, because you know the plus size girl them always ask me, Angel, where you get the jeans and where you get your tights them? But oh, I think we get this a chic and trendy. Chic and trendy. I think it the Alpha Tree. And this cute white top. And you know, the black bag. So I'm gonna put on my clothes right now. Guys, we just reached our location. Oh, I need one new mask. Well, there's something fishy, because my did tell Jason that I'm feeling for fish. So I'm gonna see what them have.
So she have complaints that she want fish. So I carry her come eat fish. You see me? No, I learn the drift when it comes to dealing with women. It's when they want food, don't ask them which part they want to go or where they want. If you hear them talk about it one time, just give them.
Alright guys, so I'm just giving it a little voice over here because the music in the background, and if you know, you know, like music and YouTube, can't manage a copyright claim. But this place is so beautiful and clean, and the food was so good. You know, a little bit pricey, but it could have gone. Even though I have voiceover right now, I don't want to complain because the music was so good in the background. The setting, everything, it was just so good, and I love this location. It's something fishy in Clarendon. Place clean bad. We took fried fish and brown stew fish. Me talk left the video, but you guys will see it. But yeah, look at this food. It was so good. And this clip was recorded, I think it was the 19th or the 20th of January, even before we did get sick. So this is what me and Jason did up to a while, and never did I get in a video. We just did want, you know, step back, rejuvenate, and just enjoy some time together, because you know how things can be. But yeah, it was so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So I'm going to do something today. Mr. You know, I'm just make one thing and get it done. I'm gonna tell JC it's a mega do it. So yeah, mega make JC come with me though. When we reach at the place, I'm gonna figure out what mega get done, but I'm gonna go hold the camera for me while I get it done.
How much you have pay me?
Nothing. Cause from there, guys, from there, me and Jason are cost me, oh, my head bigger, all sort of something.
Bro, stop telling people so missing that.
Baby, say my head bigger and my forehead bigger.
Bro, you said my head big and I say your forehead. You may say you know fear say that I know say your forehead big.
Ready. Alright guys, I'm back in the car. I couldn't get to record the process cause I did a cry. But I don't know if I see it. Do I see it, baby? Think they must see it? But I did it.
Yeah, man.
I get it back. I did really want it back. I don't know from it did drop out. I'm telling you how it did drop out. Somebody did wash my face one morning and it just fly out, and I can't go get Jason and him to help me put it in back, and him did afraid. Me did afraid too, and it did just stay out until it heal, and I never put it in back. Just couldn't find the courage to go get it done. So now I did it and I love it. I'm showing it with natural lighting. Oh, actually make it worse. Oh, see it there now? It good. Just one little something in there. You know, when it heal, I got put in one nice little, you know, nose ring. It's not even obvious. If you not look at my face, you won't notice it in there.
It complements your face.
Yeah, I love it. I really love it. I don't know if I did. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if I did know me them time there. But yeah, I did have a nose ring, and I just did tell me, say, babe, that would have really fitted. I did go get it done. And trust me, my mother nearly explode. I know what she gonna feel. No, she gonna feel the same way about it now, like how she did feel about it worse. She baptized now, but I mean, in a brawling, it's just cute, small and cute. That's it. Hungry? You want coconut water? Cause me would have drink one coconut water right now.
Tell the truth. Last time I did drink, you know. I say last time I did drink. Did alright still.
So what that mean?
Why? I drink one more. I make you wet. That's
guys,
crazy.
me can't stand him.
So you know go on about your business then?
I'm in love you though.
No, take eh. You can't stand me.
Alright, we're gonna get something to eat.
Okay, you can stand me some more, please. How much money are you willing to spend on me now?
What you want to eat?
I want some. First thing first, I want some crab legs.
I like my tail because I'm not eat them.
I don't eat those
Talking
stuff.
about crab leg.
First thing first, let me tell you more. Alright, but I eat some Chinese food still with some pizza and a one salad wrap from KFC.
You don't want salad wrap? Me would eat one salad wrap too.
Oh, so you're
me would eat one salad wrap.
Stuff them out the front though.
Me no business about them. They come when I buy salad wrap. Them salad wrap can go on. Come where I buy salad wrap. I want cucumber juice. I Rasta man. I have one coconut in our fridge, so I'm not going to worry about coconut.
No,
You remember Sashana gave us? And if a man want to test you, put your back in it. Put your back in. Babe, don't. Jesus, stop.
Stop singing that song the road.
Babe, I cannot do that.
What me cannot do? What me cannot do?
Police could have done that, sir.
They know what me police are gonna stop me for drive off my car. then could you
So fast. And because
fast
me
in
I
that?
sing this song while you drive off
What
this
fast
over.
in that?
Put your back in it.
Alright.
Put your back in it.
Nah, nothing to you.
Open your mouth.
Bro, stop singing that drum.
Put up my Make it sing go. I don't want no man way. Open my mouth.
Stop singing that
Put up
drum. You can't sing them song. You
Put your
can't
back
ask that
in
question.
it.
You can't sing that song around your mother.
No.
Anything you can't
That's
sing
why
around.
I'm not singing
Anything you
around
can't sing around your mother, not sing around me.
You song them when you listen to, you sing, you play them around your mother?
Then when we used to live, when we used to play them,
Stop lying.
we never used to hear them though.
So my mother not hear this, me I sing this.
Well, I feel your business.
You have a problem with this song?
Bro, I don't listen to
Put your
this song.
back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little
Stop!
more.
What do you touch me for? What you touch me for?
We just reached a KFC. We'll see if we can get one chicken wrap. If them not have it, me no want nothing at all.
Yo, them just never have nothing here.
Them never have that. So, hold on then. I gonna call my mommy and get a reaction so they can hear me. No say this not gonna be good. But me gonna do it. You ready, babe?
Babe, this part is for you alone.
You afraid?
No, but this part is for you alone.
You afraid?
I'm not scared.
Me I tell her say you. It has a calling. One moment there. Me cover ice cream same way. Moving on the one. Stop.
Yeah,
Mommy, are you there?
yeah.
So me call up on WhatsApp when I get here. Me afraid. Me afraid. Yeah?
How I red so?
I'm a finger.
Why is this so red?
I'm a finger there over the screen.
Take your finger for that. So you say your finger red?
I something me I show you.
Alright, where you show me? What? Awa. Jason.
My name is this.
Jason.
Yes, mommy.
You took a picture of rap with me now.
Mommy, they
Oh, but just come back. Tap ramp with me, mother. Go.
Mommy, they see that. I know that she want her glasses.
Picture sa may mask kita coming.
I saw come mommy. I go park and come back.
Wala ande.
She hang up. She hang up.
Oh, me?
Ew, mommy, they see that. I know she want her glasses. She
No,
hang
I
up.
throw your phone and move up, man. Miss Desiree, I was never a part of this.
She hang up. She the online.
Check, a voice note I'll get, babe.
Mommy block me.
Hey, laugh. Your mother black you, no shame.
Mommy block me, guys. Mommy block me. I can't see mommy DP nothing. Me have to really call if you say mommy really block me.
And I see. Text your number and see.
Mommy block me, Jason.
Oh, shoot.
Look at she
babe.
block you.
Look, oh, my mother black before. But when you braids, what my mother black me for?
Look at she block you.
Oh, mommy DP. Mommy DP look nice.
Jason, I see mommy DP and show them what you have to. Take out the number. No, you have to move in. Show them. So that's a mommy DP.
Yeah.
Mommy block me. Babe, turn on back your hotspot. I feel shame. Guys, mommy block me.
Nice.
I go call one of the picnic them in the house and get to mommy.
Fun. No, so it's this rain.
I go call Joel and see if I can get to mommy.
So I called to my mother and make sure she was listen to me. I wasn't a part of this.
Jason, do
Alright, baby, I slug it out to you.